Check about custom hooks. In the previous video we have checked about the use effect hook. Now you can see the code for it. Like here is the use effect code. Then it is for fetching a data from an API endpoint. This API endpoint, it is fetching the data from the API endpoint and displaying it in the page. So we have learned about the use effect in the previous video. Now we are going to check about the custom hooks. Okay, currently the program is running like it is listing the table. It is listing a person's table data in this format. Okay, now we are going to move this use effect code to a custom hook. So I am going to create a hooks folder in the app folder. Okay, hooks. Okay, now I am going to create a file, new file, use data .tsx. Okay, we are going to use this page for creating the custom hook. Now we just creating a component, const use data is equal to we are going to use this use data as the custom hook. Return export default use data. Okay, now we are going to copy the content of the use effect to content of this page, this data. Okay, Control X, it is moving to this function. Okay, use state is not declared here, so use state, it is included. Use effect is also need to include, import. Okay, as we are going to create this as a common, it is these hooks are creating for avoiding the duplication of code, so we don't want this thing. Okay, now we are going to use the use data here, constant data equal to use data of. Okay, now it is giving an error like now we are just commenting this section, and this is a TypeScript error, so I am currently going to comment this and checking is the data is coming. I'm just deleted that code. I'm just printing console.log data. Okay, just checking is the thing is working. Checking the console log, console, it is undefined. We need to check use data. You can see that it is not returning anything. Okay, it is just calling using a use effect. So we have to return the data from here. Return data. Okay. Now you can see that it is printing the data here. So now it is getting the data. If you have another page, like I am creating a new page, copying this page and creating a new one, copy, then paste, F2, effect 4. Okay. Here I am going to change it to person details, a new page. Okay. I am also let's pass a URL here. Okay, so we can use this in different pages. URL, so it is accepting a URL and it is a string. Okay, it is accepting a URL and fetching the data and returning the data. Okay, now we are going to pass the URL here. We have two URLs. This is the person's details page URL, person/17. It is printing the 17th user. Okay, this is the person's details page. We are passing this URL to the new hook, use data hook. Here we are sending the whole list, so persons. Okay, now just checking if it is working. Currently it is returning the data for the effect 3. Then I am copying this and effect 4. It need to display only one set of data. In the console you can see that it is returning only one. So now the data is here. So you understand how to create a custom hook. This is a custom hook. Okay, use data. The hooks are starting with the use keyword, use data. You can create many hooks, any hooks. They need to start with the use. Then you can import it here and use it as it is. Now now we are going to print the data. I'm just okay. Okay, now we have to correct this section. Currently it is id does not exist on type never. We haven't used a type here, so that is the error. Now we are going to use TypeScript in it. We are going to use the generic TypeScript. Like we can use this hook for fetching any URL. So if we put the person's TypeScript here, it will only work for the person's URL. So we have using a generic TypeScript. Now we are going to check how to add the generic TypeScript. So I am here adding the generic TypeScript. Okay, just a T, and it is also returning a object. then here it is going to use the okay. Now this is a generic TypeScript. Okay, now we are going to use the we are going to update here, use data of person. Okay, now you can see that they are gone. Also in this page we can copy this content of this page, or you may just use the it is only one here we only need to display one set of data. There is so no for loop is needed. If we need it, we can use it. So we can just use data of person. Okay, then data maybe okay, constant person equal to data of 0. You can see that data of 0 is person. Okay, now you can check that how it is working. You can see that effect 4 is printing correctly. It is printing only one data. The first one is also printing all data, effect 3. Okay, so now we have learned about how to create a custom hook. You can add any code in the custom hook. Currently I have used it for fetching the use data. I have replaced the use effect from the persons list to use data hook. So I think you have understand the things. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like it. Thank you.